We're in York, Pennsylvania. Welcome to the York Fairgrounds. This is where they hold the Train Collectors Association meet. It's the largest O-scale train meet, housing 7 different buildings, all warehouse size. We're going to take you along with us today as we tour this massive meet and find out what makes this the best train show of them all. We traveled to York, Pennsylvania to see what the biggest toy train meet in North America has to offer. The meet is spread out over 7 buildings of the York Expo. 4 of the buildings are designated members only, with no photography allowed. Members sell and trade model trains with other members there. The other buildings are open to the public, with plenty to do and see. There are hundreds of toy train-related vendors, with something for everyone. Many sell trains, both new and used. There are lots of specialty vendors too. Build an amusement park with these detailed working models. This booth specializes in Lamax Christmas and Halloween villages. You could model a Christmas market.
Christmas crafts. See, those are cute. How much are these? $10? And then they have candles. You can do a whole market.
Or a Halloween theme park. JT's Mega Steam makes scented smoke fluid for trains. This is my favorite brand, with lots of scents to choose from. Scrapple? Yum. You never know who you might run into. Hey!
Hey, how you doing?
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Holy cow, look at there.
We ran into another great YouTuber, PGY, Whistle Stop Wednesday.
Whistle Stop Wednesday videos.
Super fun videos every Wednesday. This is kind of nice to run into each other. It's good to see you.
Yeah, you
Love
too.
your channel.
You too.
It's really
so
good.
do I. I like Little Buddy. Little Buddy is the steal of the whole video.
She's a star.
Yeah, she is. She's just a star. Yeah, for sure. She looks at you with those eyes, and that's it.
She just likes trains.
Right? Everything. Everybody should be melting to see that dog.
Let's visit the temporary train displays. All this excitement is making me hungry. Let's check out the food trucks.
Maybe there's another one for sale right now.
Crab cakes. Or we can pick up a snack at the food carts or the food counter inside. There's something for everyone. Back to the halls for more trains. There are booths for replacement parts and booths for every tool you could need to build your perfect layout. Or buy one already made. This layout builder stood out for their exceptional design and detail. We stopped to talk. This is Brian Inch with Model Rail Scenes, and he does some fantastic modeling. Want to tell us a little bit about your shop?
Yeah, me and my boy, we do a lot of layouts together, and we specialize in O-scale, but we also do HO. And usually small to medium size, not too big we can handle. I don't have a big enough shop to do them all. But they do a lot of traveling too if they're really big. But we do a lot of ocean scenery because we live in Maine. Every layout has to have a lobster boat.
Oh, fantastic. We love that.
No, but we do a lot of scenery that involves like the coastal kind of things, and we've been doing it so long, we're pretty fast at it. So.
It looks like Kennebunkport.
Yeah, exactly.
This water is amazing.
Yeah, well, thank you.
You know, we were marveling at that. Even has the ripples in it and the white.
Yeah, it took a lot of time. It's about the depth of field, really. You start with the epoxies, and you keep putting different gels on top to make it. And then you gotta, put some white caps and put little waves in there.
So do you make these entirely in your shop and then deliver them, or do you make them on
Well,
site?
I've learned nobody lives forever, so you kind of got to make a module. So this is 3 sections right here, which is nice about this. I can split it here and keep going for another 20 feet if I wanted to. So each one is 4x4, and that's how I do it.
And you build them in Maine, and then
I do build right in my shop.
and can you deliver them anywhere? What's your?
I got a trailer. I can travel anywhere. So.
Outstanding. How does somebody get a hold of you if they're interested in having one done? Because this is beautiful work.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, they just call me at my shop.
And what have you?
Model Rail
207.
Scenes, Yep, 207-564-0705.
Great.
I got a nice shop. You come visit and see some other running layouts in there.
Is there a website?
Yep, monorailscenes.com.
My name's Emil. It's good to meet
Hey,
you.
Emil, thank you very much.
We've got to keep moving. There are many more booths to see. There are specialty foam cutting tools, custom buildings and bridges, and custom train track and switch tracks. There is lots of apparel and home decor. And of course, more trains. The Train Collectors Association show has it all. The show is held twice a year, and we're already looking forward to the October show. Maybe we'll see you there. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the Big Crab Cake channel.